How to enable developer options. Want to unlock secret settings, speed up animations, or test app like a pro? Let's unlock the developer option. No coding required. Go to setting, scroll down and you will see about phone. Tap it. Tap on software information. Scroll until you see build number. Now tap it 7 times. Yes, 7 times. You will see a countdown. Mine here is already updated. You are now X step away from being a developer. Just a security check, you will have to enter your PIN, pattern or fingerprint. And boom, you are officially a developer. Well, kind of. Now go back to setting. Look for developer options, usually at the bottom or under system. Explore powerful tools like USB debugging, animation speed control, background process limits, and more. But be careful. Don't mess with the stuff you don't understand. And there you go. You have joined the rank of Android power users. Developer options unlocked. If you feel taker already, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite hidden settings, subscribe for more Android superpowers. Catch you next time.